So once again, we don't have a lot going on in the way of offers. Whoop, whoop. Come on. So he did give a deal if you bought more than one. Okay, so let's move along here. So summarize here. We looked at the infomercial for the pasta maker. We looked at a classic direct mail piece for Arbor Day, supporting trees as a charity. We looked at it quickly at a couple of e-commerce websites, and we looked at Joe Aid's personal sales. And in each of these four examples, we saw marketing communications that attempted to go through the first four steps of the purchase funnel in one fell swoop or in one swell swoop, either one. Um, and again, it's a way for you to, start thinking about how to move someone, how to engage, how to move, how to persuade, how to get somebody to do something. And that's what direct marketing is all about. Thus concludes our content. The last thing I promised to do in our agenda was to talk about what's due for the next class. I want you to read part one, chapter two of our very, very good textbook. There is a discussion on Padlet. You'll find in the week two folder. I want you to find a direct mail piece, a direct mailing, whether it's a classic or a postcard or whatever it is. And I want you to do a show and tell. You can, do it with text. I'm not sure Padlet allows videos. I should know that, but I don't. But just take pictures, take pictures of the pieces. Um, I don't know if you can only do one picture on Padlet. And again, I should know that. I apologize, guys. But if it's only one picture for each posting, just take the best picture that shows off the piece that you've chosen. So if it's a 5-piece direct mail thing, take all the pieces out and take a picture of the whole thing, at least of one side of it. Okay. And then discuss what that piece is doing to move you through the purchase funnel. Okay. And then finally, you're going to do your own reverse engineering and Tabasco reverse engineering, and you're going to use empathy and say whether it'll work for this ad for Purple Mattress. Okay, and you're going to post that also in week two. Use empathy. And so tell them what you told them. We reviewed some important things that we talked about last week. Three components of direct mail. Direct mail has to move somebody. Direct mail ads have an offer. The three components of direct mail. I don't need to list them again because I know you know them. We looked at an excerpt from Lester's memoir, um, Being Direct. The subtitle is Making Advertising Pay. All right. We talked about reverse engineering an ad with Tabasco. We talked about using empathy to evaluate ads and any kind of marketing. We got in some depth into the purchase funnel, and we looked at four examples of marketing communications that have a lot of depth of sale that try to get you from step one to step four. And we talked about what's due, and I thank you all very much. This is actually class two. You can see I'm not afraid to admit when I make a mistake and fix it.